In Packet Tracer 7.0, you have a full-blown web server capable of doing complex websites. In this presentation, you will learn the functions of the Packet Tracer web server. The server could be used to teach web page design. The File Manager is a good tool to teach HTML file management. With PT's network along with multi-user, you could set up a full web-based network in your classroom. Let's start with a simple network to look inside the tools of the web server. These are the functions inside of Packet Tracer 6.3 and 7.0. You have HTTP and HTTPS capabilities. You can use JavaScript and style sheets. You can import images and files. You could use copy and paste from an editor or notepad. New features only inside of Packet Tracer 7.0 are the use of PHP to become a registration server and the addition of MCU SBC dedicated web-based servers and clients. As in other versions of PT, you have already a default web page and file structure. The index HTML page is the home page. No changes are made unless you click Save and then allow the overwrite. The end results. You can upload HTML files, images, or text files into PT. These files are now contained inside the file you are creating. An example of an image uploaded into Packet Tracer 7.0. Any HTML can be copied from any editor and pasted into a file. If you wish, just use the already links inside the default index page. You can also upload a new file into the File Manager and name it whatever you would like. Just like regular web page development, you can upload the image files too. When copying from or using an editor, you will have to fix the image location link to either / or nothing before the image source. Our end results. When you use the registration server for an IoT scenario, the index file is now a PHP script. This is an example of the registration server and the IoT network and devices. In PT 7.0, you can create a dedicated HTTP server and client as if using a Raspberry Pi. Follow these steps. Drag an SBC MCU board to the desktop and click on it. Go to the Physical tab and add a network connection. Configure the network IP address according to the topology. Click on the Programming tab. Click on the New button, name it HTTP Server, then select the language you will use. Let's use JavaScript, so we select HTTP Server-JavaScript. Click Create. Double-click on the main.js to see the script. Make changes on the script, then run the script. These are our end results. Do the same to make the client. Run the script and you will see the web page from the server is delivered to the MCU client. In summary, use the web server as if you were teaching web page design. The new features allow many possible scenarios. By adding a MCU SBC, you can demonstrate automatic HTTP messages in remote areas. Thank you.